Unlocking the secrets of trinomial expressions. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mathematics to explore trinomial expressions. These are not just mathematical terms. Understanding them can enhance your English vocabulary and analytical thinking. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. At its core, a trinomial expression is a type of algebraic expression that has three terms. These terms are usually connected by plus, or minus signs. Think of it as a small family of numbers and variables living together in one mathematical house. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is a trinomial expression, where x squared, 5x, and 6 are the members of this mathematical family. Every trinomial expression consists of three important parts: coefficients, variables, and constants. Let's understand each. Coefficients are the numbers that multiply the variables, like the 5 in 5x. Variables are letters that represent unknown values, such as x in x squared and 5x. Constants are standalone numbers that don't change, like the 6 in x squared plus 5x plus 6. By identifying these components, we can better understand and solve trinomial expressions. Learning about trinomial expressions isn't just for mathematicians. It helps improve your problem-solving skills and logical thinking. Plus, understanding mathematical vocabulary can boost your English comprehension, making you more versatile in both academic and real-world scenarios. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through the world of trinomial expressions. Remember, mathematics is a universal language that bridges cultures and enhances our understanding of the world. I hope this video has shed some light on trinomial expressions and sparked your curiosity to learn more. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video adventure.